Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Profusion Cosmetics haul and also a ShopMissA haul. I ordered some items from them and I'm excited to show you guys what I got. It's just a few things, nothing overly expensive, or it's not a lot of stuff, but I do love what I did get. So without further ado, let's just get on with the haul. Alright, we'll start with ShopMissA first. I got this wet and dry brush. It's just pink. Considering how much the wet brushes are, I think this was a very good deal. I want to say it was just $1, because ShopMissA does have some things priced a little bit higher now. Some things, not a lot. But yeah, it's just a pink wet and dry brush, which I really need. So I'm excited for that one. I bought a few of these to make masks with. Just a black one, a white one, and a pink one. You cannot find these anywhere in stores anymore around here. So I seen these on ShopMissA and I thought I better get it because they're nowhere to be found around here. Okay. I got this headband. It's got little pom-pom thingies. It looks like cat ears, I guess. It's so cute. This was inspired by Tiger King. I got an eyelash curler. I needed one of these. Every time I get one, it goes missing. I got an AOA blender holder. It's silver. Looks just like that. My daughter got a rose gold one and I got silver. Thought that was cute. Since my daughter got me into doing my eyebrows a lot, I did buy some extra of these. Just an eyebrow comb and a shaver. I got these, which I'm excited about. It's called a bubble bar. And I think this one's supposed to be mango. Look how pretty. Smells amazing. Got that one. And I got a rose one. Y'all know I love anything rose. So this is right up my alley. And it smells like rose too. Again, they are the bubble bars. I think it's going to come out backwards or backswards. That's what Theodore says. I bought this palette. I want to say this was either $7 or $10. Something like that. It's called Over the Rainbow. 25 color eyeshadow palette. By AOA, I think. Look at these colors, you guys. These are amazing. I'm most curious about the oranges, so let me swatch a couple. I'm going to swatch this one. Looks good so far. That looks good. I'm excited and I'm curious about the yellow, so I'm going to swatch the yellow, which looks good so far. It's a little bit chalky, but yeah, It's okay, I guess. I was expecting more, but it's hard to find a good yellow unless you spend a lot of money. This is a nice little palette. I'll be doing some looks with this for sure. I also got this Wonder Blender, the black one. Just a blender bud, they call it. And I got it to go in this, so that's perfect. Alright, that is everything from ShopMissA. I'm going to move on to the Profusion Cosmetics. You guys, they are fancy. Let me show you the box. The box is already open because my daughter got some stuff too, and she already busted into it. Look how pretty the box is. It's amazing. They were having a good sale, so I picked up a few things. I love Profusion Cosmetics. I feel like they have a good color payoff with their stuff. First thing I'm pulling out is the Stardust Collection. Look at the glitter. Look at the glitter. Alright, you just open it and you have your eyeshadows. Look at the glitter ones. And there's a yellow in here that I'm going to swatch quickly. I'm going to swatch this yellow right here. I'm hoping for a good yellow. It's that on the end right there. It's okay. It's about like the other one. Look how gorgeous. And you get a Profusion brush with it. Very nice brush too. Okay. You have a drawer that pulls out here. And it has some loose pigments. Eyeliner. A matte lip. Primers. Eye primer, and I think that's a face primer if I'm not mistaken. Very, very pretty. You have one on the other side. You pull that out and you have a highlighter, blush, and contour powders. The blush is called First Date. It's so cute. And you get that little brush with it. But look at this. Look at this glitter. So beautiful. I only paid, I want to say $12 for this, and I felt like it was a really good deal. You guys need to go and check out Profusion's site. They have some good stuff. I got this. It's called the Beauty Superstars. It just folds out. You have the shadows and your face stuff. You have an eyeliner. Another brush, which is a nice brush. These are really pretty colors. The colors have very, very pretty names. Celestial being one, and this is so accurate. Frozen, Fearless, Heavenly, Phoenix, Outgoing, Zing, Trouble, Light Year, and Supernatural. Look at Light Year and Supernatural. Those are just gorgeous. The blush is called Sparks. Then you have some face powders and highlights, I'm guessing, called Lucky, Smashing, Medium Sculpt, and Brilliant Bronzer. This is a nice little set right here. And I like how it's shiny. I don't remember how much I gave for this. It wasn't over $10 though. So I felt like that was a good deal too. Okay. I got one of their blending buds. It's like a marble, black purple marble color. It's really pretty. I think I only gave like $2 for the blending buds. I got this little palette, which is called Frostbite 35 shade palette. It's got some very nice colors in it. I think they are like neutrals, is that what it's called? Yeah, that is so pretty, and it has a big old mirror up here, but I don't want to blind you guys, so yeah. If y'all want to see swatches of any of these, just let me know, and I will do a whole video on it. And that is everything I got, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and go to ShopMissA or Profusion Cosmetics and get you some stuff. It's cheap and it's pretty. These smell divine. These little bubble bars. I love the rose one. And the mango smells good too. Alright, you guys, if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate it if you did. And you can share my video. I don't mind. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.